Hey everyone, today I'm going to do a chalk or soft pastel versus oil pastel drawing, so let's begin. Arts Workfly. For those who don't know the difference between the oil pastel and the chalk or soft pastel, basically the chalk or soft pastel has a powdered texture to it, and the oil pastel is like the wax crayon. So what I'm doing here, I'm basically drawing a simple beach scenery to let you guys identify the differences between the two. Some students keep confusing both of them, so with this video hopefully they can be able to identify the differences and select which one is best to use for our specific artwork. I tried my best using the colors available, and I must say that the chalk pastel for me is easier to use because one, it's easier to erase. So if you're not sure of a color, you can take some out with the kneading eraser, and two, it's easier to blend. It's best to work with the media from top to bottom so that you don't get any chalk on your hand, and take your time to mix the colors properly. If you're not familiar with using the chalk and the oil pastel, I will suggest that you practice before you try to use it on an artwork. When using the chalk pastel, what I do first is to lay the colors down, then I use the cotton swab to blend. I really wanted more colors to blend in the sky, but I didn't, so I used what I had. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload. For persons who are already subscribed, thank you very much for subscribing. One more thing that I must mention, if you're not using the correct paper, ensure that you don't work an area too much. So right now I'm using the oil pastel. I am applying the colors just as how I did with the chalk pastel. From top to bottom, I lay the colors first, then I blend. I did not have a white for the oil pastel. What I used was a white wax crayon. The wax crayon does not blend as much with the pastel, so I'm not sure if that is the reason why the sea looks the way it does. Personally, I like the shrubs for the chalk pastel and the sea and the palm tree for the oil pastel. You can comment down below and tell me which one you would like best. The problem that I had with the oil pastel, the colors keep separating when I try to mix them together. I am not sure if it's because of the brand or that's just the way it is. Just ensure to layer colors separately, then use a piece of tissue paper or cotton swab to blend. Yes guys, so that is it. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more contents like these, please ensure to subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload. You can leave a comment down below and you can like and you can share. Arts Workfly.